how to use AI video generator Dreamface. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you use the Dreamface AI video generator app on your device. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the app AI video generator Dreamface. So you can easily find this app on App Store or Play Store, and from there you'll have to find this app. And now after you install that app, you'll have to open that app. Alright, so after opening the app, you will got such interface. So from here you can go with the options try my photo. So it is now usually free, so I am go with the options try my photo free. Okay, you can allow the media access for this app, and now from here you'll have to choose one picture from here. So I will choose this one. Alright, so after you choose the picture, you will have to tap on this animate option at the bottom. So simply tap on it. Alright, so it's uploading and processing to the animating process of this picture. Alright, so as you can see, the pictures I have been uploaded, hence it was animated to a funny way. So like you can also use this app to animate your pictures. So from here you can buy the subscription of this app by seeing this demo. So as usual, you can go with the option free trial for the 3 days. So from there you'll be able to use this app for 3 days. So after 3 days you'll have to pay the subscription plan for this app. So this is the easiest and simplest method to use the Dreamface AI video generator app. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.